A very, very short introduction on the indications and uses of the Beehive Air. So we listened to Tiago, who said about the components, the substances which are present in the Beehive Air. These components, some of them comes from outside, from environment, like from the aromatic plants like lavender, sage, basil, and so on. And some of them are coming from the bees themselves. So the bees are adding these substances to the Beehive Air, like the pheromones, like substances coming from the beeswax, and so on. And these substances can be used to prevent or treat many, many diseases. First of all, in the respiratory area, of course, on the nose area, in the trachea, larynx, the bronchi, and so on. The lungs are the most important organs to be treated. But as the lungs are related to the functioning of all the rest of the body, and the lungs are very much related also with the immune system. They make the connection between the body and the outside very, very often, like we breathe like 18 times per minute. So there is a big, big correlation between the lungs and the rest of the body. So if you make the lungs happy, the lungs will help the happiness of all other cells in the body, of course, allowing the transfer of oxygen and so on. So let me give you a few of the uses of the Beehive Air. One of them, and it's like Api Spa. This is just an image here. In Germany, they started the beekeepers with the word Beehive Air therapy. But then after a couple of years, they got problems because using the word therapy belongs to therapists, to the medical doctors, to heilpraktikers. So from the legal point of view, it's not so good to say I am doing treatments if you are not licensed in a form of treatment. So, but using the Beehive Air as for a spa or for well-being, and we'll see a presentation this afternoon from Slovenia from Tanja Arich-Korosec, it's okay. So you just use it for relaxation, for improving the blood flow. You can make combination between the Beehive Air and some sauna, before and after, massage, and so on. And this is a very good idea to speak with the spas you have in your region, in your provinces, in your country, and you can make contact with them. And I know one clinic in Germany who is offering Beehive Air immediately outside of the spa. Okay, one other topic is happy relaxation. Like we discussed this before, we can use the Beehive Air to inhale and stay as near as possible to the beehives, not on top of the beehives like here, but near the beehives. And then you can, if you sleep here 8 hours, you'll be like in paradise, because you'll have all these aromas which are coming from thousands of different flowers, from thousands of bees. So it's an incredible concept to improve the sleep, like to treat insomnia, and to prevent all disorders related to a lack of sleep. Because if the body has not enough sleep, cannot regenerate, anabolism cannot function, so practically no disease can be cured if the sleep is affected. Then another topic, very, very interesting, is Happy Yoga. It's like a word or a concept launched by a lady from France. Her name is Catherine Ballot-Flourens. So she came with the idea to use the bees, to use the bioenergy of the bees, to get the bees as close as possible to the human body. And remember, we spoke before about the interaction between the aura of the human body, this bioenergetical field, if you want, and the aura of the bees. So one very, very good method, of course, you must not be allergic to bee stings, is to put some honey on your hands, or you put honey on some parts of your body, like here is on the belly, but you can put also on the back, or you can put on acupuncture points or on acupuncture meridians. And once the bees, they will feel the aroma of the honey, they will come to lick this honey. See, like here on the face. So there are several options like this. Having the bee aura on the acupuncture points, for example. So this could be called bee aura puncture. I'm just inventing now a new word. Okay. Happy medicinal is what is practically what we are talking is this part of Beehive Air therapy. like when we use the Beehive Air to treat various conditions in the human beings. And here we need medical doctors like Dr. Zorica from Serbia to make the diagnosis of the patient, especially of the lung area, and then to tell how many sessions are needed for this or this patient. Okay, then apitourism, it's another part of uses of the Beehive Air therapy. It's like tourism with the beehive, like see here in Slovenia, or this system in Slovenia. This is a huge topic. Okay, sorry, somebody is having the microphone open. Okay, maybe Zorica, you can close your microphone. Okay, and so apitourism is very good because you can combine it with the next topic, which is api education. So api education is you can teach the children, the adults, the old people, everybody. You can teach about the importance of the bees, biodiversity, pollination, health, and so on and so on. So with Beehive Air, you can find many connections. So education, tourism, medicine, yoga, relaxation, and all these other areas like spa and so on and so on. Okay, thank you very much. This was my short presentation, just an introduction on this topic.